初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the library?
Where is the library?
图书馆在哪里？
Where is the library?
Where is the library?
I'd like to get a library card.
I'd like to get a library card.
我想办一张借书证。
I'd like to get a library card.
I'd like to get a library card.
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
我需要什么文件？
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
How do I apply for a library card?
How do I apply for a library card?
如何申请借书证？
How do I apply for a library card?
How do I apply for a library card?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
咨询台在哪里？
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
Can you help me find this book?
Can you help me find this book?
你能帮我找这本书吗？
Can you help me find this book?
Can you help me find this book?
I'm looking for English books.
I'm looking for English books.
我在找英文书。
I'm looking for English books.
I'm looking for English books.
I'm looking for magazines.
I'm looking for magazines.
我在找杂志。
I'm looking for magazines.
I'm looking for magazines.
Do you have newspapers here?
Do you have newspapers here?
这里有报纸吗？
Do you have newspapers here?
Do you have newspapers here?
Where is the children's section?
Where is the children's section?
儿童区在哪里？
Where is the children's section?
Where is the children's section?
Where is the fiction section?
Where is the fiction section?
小说区在哪里？
Where is the fiction section?
Where is the fiction section?
Where is the nonfiction section?
Where is the nonfiction section?
非小说区在哪里？
Where is the nonfiction section?
Where is the nonfiction section?
Do you have textbooks?
Do you have textbooks?
这里有教科书吗？
Do you have textbooks?
Do you have textbooks?
Can I borrow this book?
Can I borrow this book?
我可以借这本书吗？
Can I borrow this book?
Can I borrow this book?
How many books can I borrow?
How many books can I borrow?
我可以借多少本书？
How many books can I borrow?
How many books can I borrow?
How long can I keep the books?
How long can I keep the books?
我可以借书多久？
How long can I keep the books?
How long can I keep the books?
When is the due date?
When is the due date?
归还日期是什么时候？
When is the due date?
When is the due date?
How can I renew this book?
How can I renew this book?
如何续借这本书？
How can I renew this book?
How can I renew this book?
Can I return books here?
Can I return books here?
我可以在这里还书吗？
Can I return books here?
Can I return books here?
Where is the book return box?
Where is the book return box?
还书箱在哪里？
Where is the book return box?
Where is the book return box?
Do I have to pay a late fee?
Do I have to pay a late fee?
我需要付逾期费吗？
Do I have to pay a late fee?
Do I have to pay a late fee?
How much is the late fee?
How much is the late fee?
逾期费是多少？
How much is the late fee?
How much is the late fee?
Can I use the computer here?
Can I use the computer here?
我可以在这里用电脑吗？
Can I use the computer here?
Can I use the computer here?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
这里有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
WiFi 密码是什么？
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Can I print something here?
Can I print something here?
我可以在这里打印东西吗？
Can I print something here?
Can I print something here?
Can I make a copy here?
Can I make a copy here?
我可以在这里复印吗？
Can I make a copy here?
Can I make a copy here?
Where is the study room?
Where is the study room?
自习室在哪里？
Where is the study room?
Where is the study room?
Is the study room free?
Is the study room free?
自习室是免费的吗？
Is the study room free?
Is the study room free?
Do I need to book a study room?
Do I need to book a study room?
我需要预约自习室吗？
Do I need to book a study room?
Do I need to book a study room?
Can I bring food inside?
Can I bring food inside?
我可以带食物进去吗？
Can I bring food inside?
Can I bring food inside?
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
我可以带水进去吗？
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
请保持安静。
Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
Please turn off your phone.
Please turn off your phone.
请关掉手机。
Please turn off your phone.
Please turn off your phone.
The library is closing soon.
The library is closing soon.
图书馆快关门了。
The library is closing soon.
The library is closing soon.
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
开放时间是几点？
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
Is the library open on weekends?
Is the library open on weekends?
图书馆周末开放吗？
Is the library open on weekends?
Is the library open on weekends?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I like this library.
I like this library.
我喜欢这个图书馆。
I like this library.
I like this library.
I will come back again.
I will come back again.
我会再来的。
I will come back again.
I will come back again.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。